And welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to buy altcoins on the Binance. So if you want to buy coins alternative to Bitcoin, you can simply and easily buy it from the Binance. So first of all, you must have USDT or BUSD or any other stable coin in your Binance. Most recommended is that you have USDT or BUSD in your Binance account. Once you will do it, here you will see I am in the market, and from here you have to select the spot or the future, but right now I will show you in the spot market. So simply you have to select any of the altcoin from here. So let's suppose I will purchase XRP slash BUSD. It means I must have BUSD in my Binance account that you can purchase through P2P, or you can attach a card with your Binance to purchase the BUSD. So click on it. Once you will do it, on the right bottom you will see buy and sell. So simply you have to click on the buy, and here you have to enter the amount in BUSD or in XRP, in which amount you want to purchase these coin. So once you will do it, simply you can click on the buy, and once you will click on the buy, your order will be complete. As if you select market, or you can select limit, on the limit figure it will purchase, or if you are select market, your coin will be purchased instantly. So this is the simple way. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.